Welcome everybody, my name is Coach Tommy Yao. Today exercise video we're going to focus on body restoration. So in this section for body restoration, we're going to focus on two key areas, the neck and the shoulder. Often at times when we work from home or we have a poor posture, our neck start to go forward tilt and then our shoulders start to round, creating a lot of stress into our neck area and our shoulder area tension. So with this restoration program, I'll be introducing you 4 exercises to help you to regain mobility, help you to improve flexibility, and most important, stay upright and regain your flexibility. So the first we're going to do is a shoulder and neck exercise. So we want to mobilize our shoulder. So what you want to do is to have your feet slightly wider than the shoulder width apart, keep a knee soft, put a big smile on your chest, lengthen your spine, drive your hands out like a cat, like a kite. With your palm facing up, we're going to do external rotation, just like this. So draw a small circle using the shoulder and reverse. We're going to do 10 times. So we got 5 more to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's go forward rotation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the next one, we're going to reach our hands up to the ceiling or the sky, bring close together, and then bring it back down. So yes, you can take a look at my arm motion. I create lots of neck space. I want to maintain long spine. I don't want to round my back. I drop my shoulder down. I create my neck line nice and long. I'm using my shoulder and my arms to reach up, create more mobility into the shoulder. Let's do 3 more. 2, and last one, and recover. So this will help you to flush a lot of blood into your shoulder region and your neck region. So right now we're going to do something to release the tension on the neck. So it's going to be very simple. You can have your hand placed behind your hip just like this. Depress your hand down by dropping the shoulder down slightly this way, so that you have a nice shoulder depression. Now from this position, you're going to look straight and turn to your side and come back to the center for 5 times. Now self-select your range of motion. If you feel a bit of tension, don't go too hard, don't go too fast. Keep it very slow and very subtle. 1 more to go. Alright, now reset. You're going to go to your opposite side for 5 more reps. So rotate, come back. Look to your side and come back. Very often you may feel one side is stiffer than the other side, which is okay. So our job is to make sure that we can train and balance the imbalance. Last 2 to go. And 1 more. And recover. So the third exercise is going to be the shoulder stretch using the wall. So I'm going to position my body against the wall right now. Alright, so for exercise number 3, we're going to face towards the wall. Alright, so what you want to do is to have your distance between the wall about 1 arm length. Then you're going to place your palm exactly at your eye level. So it's a very good gauge. So eye level with your palm. Now the thing to take note is make sure you spread your finger wide to create a bit of stability onto your palm. You don't want to bring your hands close. Yeah. So spread your hands wide. Keep your hand in line with your ear. Legs shoulder width apart. So you want to initiate the movement through the hips. So drive the hips back, maintaining long spine. Let your body drop down and let gravity do the part here, and then you rise up here. Exhale. So take a deep breath, inhale, stretch your spine and your shoulder, and exhale, bring it back up. Now if your mobility is poor, you can bend your knee and shift your butt back, and then you stand tall. If you're a little bit more flexible, you can straighten your legs, drive your hips all the way back, maintain long spine, and then push against the wall to lift yourself back up. We're going to do 4 more to go. Exhale. 3, 2, last one, and recover. Good. So exercise number 4 is going to be a bit of dynamic chest stretch. So you're going to have your hand spread against the wall with your finger pointing back. You want to have your palm in line with your chest. Now from this position, keep your legs shoulder width apart, bend your knee down, lean forward so that you can feel the pre-stretch in the chest. So if this is where your comfort can take you, stay where you are. If not, we can add a bit of quarter turn to the right. So quarter turn right, load it even more, and then come back to center to release. Rotate to create more length, and then come back down again. Okay, rotate and come back. You notice my eyes is always looking forward. So I want to have thoracic rotation. I'll keep my spinal neutral. That means my spine is straight. So this is very good if you play golf or you play racket sport, because you want to have lots of mobility on your thoracic spine. Rotate, come back down. Let's do 2 more. Rotate, come back down, and last one, and come back down. So these 4 exercises will wrap up for our body restoration, particularly on your neck and the shoulder. Good job. Alright, so for now we're going to do the opposite hand. So let's turn and face the wall. The distance is 1 arm apart. So place the palm at the eye level. Spread your finger wide. Legs about shoulder width apart. So hinge the hips back. Lean back. Inhale. Exhale. Lengthen your spine. Shift your bums back. Good. Now if you're a little bit more mobile, you can go slightly lower. Bring your ears slightly lower than your arm. Have a nice stretch and then pull yourself back up. Yeah. So look down and forward. So use the breathing to help you to ease into the stretch. Inhale, exhale. So once again, we want to focus on neck and shoulder. Down and back up. Last 2, hips back, maintain long back. Last one, down and up. And number 4 exercise is a shoulder and chest focus. So you're going to have your palm spread facing back. The palm is about in line with your chest. Legs wide apart. Lean into the wall. Pre-stretch your chest, and then you slowly rotate your body towards the left side, but your body is still in line facing forward. Come back to center. So you want to get a bit of thoracic rotation here while maintaining your spine to be very neutral. Here, and put it back. So each time as you turn, stretch further, come back, recover, stretch, recover, always look forward. Last 3, nice, 2, last 1, and recover. So there you go. Here's your body restoration for neck and shoulder.